Do you want 4 times more the views? Do this one change. I did this by accident, and it is pretty neat that I was able to see the difference between all the videos that I've uploaded. Now you're probably thinking, you're a newer channel. Yes, I have another channel and I was monetized in 3 months, but this channel, I'm doing things a little differently. It's a different niche, and I'm doing different things to see how it works, how it affects my channel as we grow. I want to see how long it's going to take to be monetized. How long is it going to take for me to get 4,000 watch hours? How long is it going to take for me to get 1,000 subscribers? With my other channel, before I got started, I had 30 videos ready to go, posting them day by day. I wasn't really looking at what was working, what wasn't. The only thing I was really tweaking was my thumbnail or my title. This time, I'm uploading things with different settings to kind of see how it works. This one little setting is closed captioning. Now, I have 7 videos that I have uploaded. Only one of them had the closed captioning on, and it has the most amount of views by 4 times. Do you want 4 times the views without changing your content, but just updating this setting? Change this. I'm telling you, this is something I stumbled across. When you're a new channel, you come across all these different things, all these videos, all these steps to take, all these settings to do, and you're wondering what's right, what's wrong. You'll watch one video, they say this, one video, they'll say that. I'm actually testing and showing you as I go, as I grow. And I'm setting up a video with one setting and another video with another setting, and then I'm playing it out to see what it looks like and what it's doing and how it's performing. Now, obviously, things are going to factor in, what the title is, the thumbnail, what the content is, and if it's reaching certain audiences. At this point, I have been on YouTube for 30 days with this new channel. And these videos and how they're performing, I'm going to show you. I got the receipts. I got the proof. So let me show you. I'm not just blowing hot air your way, because that kind of stuff bothers me to no end. I'm telling you. You see many creators just pushing out different things, or they'll listen to something and then they'll just throw it out. And I actually lived, learned, tested, and showing you how this is actually affecting you. So as you can see, at first glance, you can see all the videos and you can see how they're performing. And the one with closed captioning on it has the most views. Coincidence? I think not. So let me show you how to turn this setting on. There's a couple different steps. The first one is you want to make sure you have closed captioning on your video. And how you do that is you go to your YouTube studio on your channel, click settings, go to your upload defaults, and under the advanced settings, make sure allow automatic captions is on. Once this setting is turned on in your advanced settings, you want to go into each video and review what the closed captions are. Here's an example. For me, Shoes Off with Casey, which I reference, always spells my name wrong. So what I do is I go through and I make those little changes, because I do want, when it is coming across the screen, to be accurate. And little other misspellings you're going to see. Now, if you have an hour video, a 30-minute video, that's going to take you a little bit more time. But for the standard 5 to 10 minute, 20-minute video, it's not that bad, and you're going to kind of learn which things need to just be tweaked. Like, for instance, my name is always going to have to be changed. So you'll learn those things as you go, because as I edited the first video, it did take me a little bit more time. And then the second time, I figured it out. Why closed captioning is so important. YouTube reads them. The algorithm loves them. And people who watch with the sound off, they stick around. There are so many people that watch with the sound off, whether they're at work, at home, whatever. So you want to get those closed captions on your video. Okay, now your video is uploaded. You are going to go to your Manage Videos. You're going to click on the first video you want to edit, click on the title, and it's going to open it right up for you. You're going to scroll down and you're going to select Show More. And just double check that your closed captionings are on. It'll be under Language and Caption Certification. If it says None, click on that and select This content has never aired on television in the US, or there's other options as well. That is the one that I use. Once you've changed your caption certification to your liking, select Save, upper right-hand corner. And then on the left side, you're going to scroll down, typically under your thumbnail, and it's going to say Subtitles. Click on that. You're going to see anywhere from 2 to 3 to 4, depending on your languages that you have selected. You're going to see different rows that have this information. If you hover under the subtitle category, you're going to see a little pencil, and you're going to click on that to do Edit. Once you edit it, hit Continue. And this is where you can see your full script. Now, there are options to upload your script to this if you'd like to, but all that I'm simply doing are making quick little edits, cleaning it up a little bit to make sure it works good. I'm making sure that words that I want to say isn't a swear word, for instance. And once you're done with that and all those changes, hit Publish. And you will see that now under your video subtitles on your computer screen. I have now gone through on every one of my videos and done those edits, and I'm excited to see how this is going to play out in the next few weeks. The video that I'm working on next is how to live stream with less than 50 subscribers. We got this, guys. One step at a time.